Folks, I'm back. This time the seaweed line jungle. But back at one of my favorite spots from previous video. This time the water level is higher. I'm gonna start making a few casts here, then I'm gonna proceed out to where I caught the big one last time I was here. It was almost 2 months ago, so temperature is a lot higher. We use a little bit different flies, but still they prefer the slow retreat. That's one I'm gonna stay with. It's a worm hatch at the moment, so I'm fishing with a green woolly bugger. They've been giving me fish 3 days in a row now. And on top I have my favorite spring fly for sunny weather. That's the mulkis, a pink blob with chenille. Really good pattern. Well, it's actually quite shallow here. I'm gonna go out right away. Needs to be higher water to fish that. Always start shallow. Foamy surface tend to hold trout, so make sure to fish that. I like to know about my time and pace. There's way more waves today. When it's this big waves, I more or less just keep tension with the fly, and I don't really strip it in that much. More just keep contact with the fly, because it's moving like crazy in these big waves anyway. There's no need to retrieve it really fast. They like to eat prey that lose their balance in the waves, and that is sort of what these flies are looking like. They're having problems in the turbulent water when I don't retrieve them that much. Strikes used to be really hard when conditions are like this. It's just no doubts whatsoever. Here, I got one. It's a big one. It is a freaking enormous fish. It is a freaking enormous fish. Ta min hov, den är jättestor. Ta loss karbinhaken på sidan. Den här är fan skitstor.
Åh nej, jag tröstar. Det står på linan. Någonting. Jag sitter bakom dig.
Ja, det gick fort. Högt direkt.
Ja. Fan. Tredje gången jag sett mig upp knäna idag. Bra till det.
This is just a beast. What is going on? I wish you were here earlier when I had it in the shallows.
Ja, hade inte.
Felt like I lost it. Shaking his head. Don't you love big waves? I love big fish! It's like a pike. Need to go around me, you. Kom ihåg att hänga den. Nej, gör inte det. Okej, nu kommer den här. Nej. Oh. Nu. Nej. Lägg den i hoven. Vad är det för hovning? Lägg ner din hov i också. This is my biggest trout ever! Ever! Tack Jon!
Vilket kaos! Pluggar överallt! Hovar överallt! Sladdar överallt!
Vad sjukt! Klipp av bara! Helt mållös. You see that? Here have the mulkis. Incredible mulkis. So a big thanks for watching. Give me a comment down below what you think. If you're interested in going on a guided trip with me, you have the details down below. It's such a privilege to be able to guide and live on such a fantastic island with that big fish cruising around. It's really cool. And yeah, tune in for more. Let's go. So, the chaos standing. Can you explain?
No, I can't. The net in the net, for the net, and the fish, and the thing, and everything. and the lines and the flies and the second net. Oh my god. No, I was the worst for the best.
Fantastic performance. We like you.
Well, it's good that you do because I don't. But well, you got it. Yeah. Let's not do it again. Honestly, let's do it again. I'm gonna regret it for a while. I'm gonna be happy about it later, and I hope that you regret it right now.
Use the last hour and a half.
But you're gonna net your own next time. 'Cause I'm not netting anything for you today. Doesn't count. It's still recorded.